What is going on? I am Mike, and this is All About Pressure Washing, where we talk all about pressure washing, all about soft washing, and all about the things that can make your business more money. And today, we are going to talk about selling value and not price. All right, so anybody can go out and buy a pressure washer and go out there and start washing things. I don't know about you, but I did not build my business on just washing things. I built my business on a strong foundation of quality work, excellent customer service, and knowing that the job was going to be done right the first time. Never about price, always about the value that we add. A few years ago, I was talking with a buddy of mine about coffee makers. I just bought one of those Keurigs and was telling him how much I loved it. He told me that he'd looked at them too, but he did a cost analysis and that each of the little K-cups was about 23 cents more expensive than a traditional coffee maker. So he didn't buy one. I hadn't done a cost analysis because I was sold the first time I saw the thing. It was fast, simple, and easy. 1 cup or 4 cups, zero waste. I was sold on the value it had to me, not the price. It's our job as business owners to convey that same sense of value about our service to our customers. By showing our customers the value of doing business with us, we can show them that we're going to solve their problems. The cost of your service hopefully won't even be an issue. The more benefits you can show them, the less the price comes into play. Here are 3 things that should help. Number 1, ask yourself, who is the person that is most likely to need your service and need it now? Identify who your ideal customer is and then target that customer. What is your ideal customer's problem? And how can you solve it? That's number 2. For the pressure washing industry, that is pretty easy. They have dirty stuff and they want it cleaned. If you've identified your perfect customer correctly, these are the people that are going to pay you to solve their problem. And number 3, now you need to make a list of all the benefits your service offers and how it solves your customers' problems. The more benefits and solutions you can show them, the less they can deny your service will solve their problems. A great example. A few years ago, I got a call from a general manager at a car dealership. At that time, I didn't know it, but they had 3 Lexus dealerships, a Toyota dealership, and a Jeep dealership. He asked if I could come out and talk with him, and of course I did. Had a huge, gorgeous stucco building with tons of black mold. We walked around the property and talked about his frustration with the previous company who was there just 5 months earlier, and he was right. It was a horrible job. After our walkthrough, I went home and I worked up the price and sent it over to him. He replied almost immediately that I was twice as high than what he paid last time. Big building, big price, last company didn't perform, and we will. I told him that the building was going to look brand new and stay looking brand new for at least a year. He then asked if there was a guarantee on the work. I told him that I guarantee the building is going to look brand new again. I guaranteed him that all the surface pollutants were going to be removed from the building, including the black mold. I guaranteed that the likelihood of us having to come back in the next 12 months was very low, but I would guarantee that we would come back and spot clean, if necessary, over the next 12 months. Of course, that didn't happen because we did it right the first time. So the takeaway, sell value, not price. I never addressed his concern about the price. I knew the other company did a horrible job and my guys would do it right the first time. I guaranteed he would be satisfied with the quality of our work, and I assured him that we stood behind our work because we wanted to earn more of his business, and we did just that. We've been cleaning all of his dealerships since that first time, and the price has never come up once. He just calls and tells us to put him on the schedule, and that is how we like it. As a small business owner, you have to be close to every aspect of your business, from sales and marketing, customer service, and the work itself. What better way to have the confidence to sell the fact that your service is going to be done right and your customers' problems are going to be solved? Knowing how and why your service is the best option for your customer gives you the confidence to sell the value of what you're offering, not just a price. Know your worth, know your value, stand behind your work, and those new customers are going to become repeat customers. Hope this helped, and I hope you have a great day.